The Galley put the fun back in this industry. We now are communicating to our customer about changing the way their family interacts around the kitchen island. Because in the past, the chef of the kitchen, the cook of the kitchen, would have their back facing the kitchen island. But now with a linear cooking technique, everything centers around that kitchen island or centers around the galley, and families are coming together. The chef of the family is no longer excluded from the fun. So it has changed the game, and they build a workstation up to 7 feet, and the ultimate in personalization for the accessories of the Galley workstation is the Galley Dresser, with a variety of piano-grade finishes to choose from, as well as the colors of hardware, as well as certain sizes. You can have this perfectly personalized piece of furniture that you put right in the middle, the heart of your kitchen, with the workstation and multiple taps, and change your family. And it's just so much fun. This has been such a hot trend. And the ownership and leadership of the Galley is unbelievable. They are family. They make their product, all their products are made in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and the lead times are short, and the quality is amazing. And I cannot say enough about their approach to the market and about the ownership and the management, the leadership of the Galley. Just fantastic people.